if you don't say yes, you don't know what's going to happen. That yes, plus many other yeses along the way, got me from a part-time trainer to lead this organization by the grace of God. So are you ready to take that jump? Hey. Two people on that side were partially ready to make that jump along the way. For you guys, we are on the way. Somebody who's made that jump is a Centonomy Career Hub alumni. I want to invite her to come and share her story for 5 minutes here. That's Janet Ndanu. Thank you so much for giving us that opportunity to hear your story and the experience that you have. Janet, karibu sana. Thank you. I can see everyone online. You can see the activity has significantly gone up since I mentioned the scholarship. Excellent. And we'll be mentioning you as you go. One more time for Janet, please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Janet Ndanu, and I'm a recent graduate from the Centonomy Career Hub course. And let me just say that this is my jump activity, because I almost said no when I was invited. Yeah, because this is actually the biggest audience I've ever had to speak to. So I was scared and I almost said no, but I said, okay, let me just come, then see what happens. So I guess we'll just have to see what happens, right? So I would like to start with this. When you put the ladder against the wrong wall, every step you take will lead you to the wrong place. Can we say that? When you put the ladder against the wrong wall, every step you take will lead you to the wrong place, right? So when I took the course, I was in my internship period that just ended in December. And I was doing a 1-year internship in Mombasa. So I took the course because that was the longest period I was working. The first time I started working was in December of 2019. It was just for about a month. Then that ended and I started my internship. So I really wanted to know how to get into the career space. I really wanted to know what tools do I need, what skills do I require to navigate this space? Because sometimes you just go to a place, maybe when you're starting out in your career or your internship, and you're just there because you are idle at home, or you just want the money. So a lot of the times, maybe we don't think about what's next, or since I'm already here, what do I want to achieve by the end of this 1-year period? What do I want to achieve by the end of this engagement? So I'd already taken the Centonomy 101 course, so it was very easy to come across the Centonomy career course. And I attended, there was a Zoom class that was, let me say, advertising for the Centonomy career course. And they said, okay, let me join and see what this is about, because I'd already started looking for information. I was reading books, like this book, Purple Cow, which talks about being remarkable and setting yourself apart, being different. I was also reading Nice Girls Don't Get the Corner Office. It was talking about how to navigate the career space, how to present yourself, how to communicate. And another book was Being So Good They Can't Ignore You. So how do you make sure that you give yourself value in a space that people notice you and they're able to give you more of what you want, right? Because a lot of the times when we are at the workplace, we really want to get promoted, we want a salary increment, but we don't really give the value that is required there. Ama, because you've been working there for like 10 years, you're like, I deserve a promotion. But what have you been doing? Maybe you've been doing the same thing for years. Nobody has seen anything different, you're just doing your job. But you think because you've been there for a long time, you deserve maybe the increments in salary or a promotion. But that is not the case. So because I was looking for that information, I decided, why don't I join the Centonomy Career Hub and get a one-on-one interaction with the trainers, somebody who can actually mentor me, somebody who can give me the direction that I actually need to navigate this space. Because it's one thing when you're reading a book, it's very easy to just read a book and forget the information, close the book and move on with your life. You know what you're supposed to do, but it's very hard for you to do it. But once you pay for a cause, once you've already given the time and the energy, and you have somebody who is working with you and you have the questions that are answered, you ask about your challenges, and you're able to be guided through, that is something very different. And it opens up your mind to very many opportunities. So when I was actually getting into the course, it was just specifically for my employment. I wasn't thinking about maybe the things I was doing on the side. But as I was going on with the course, I realized a lot of these things really actually relate with other things that you're doing on the side. Apart from the employment that you're given, if you have these side hustles or side businesses, like we were doing a module on communication. Communication is everywhere. It's not just about communicating with your fellow colleagues or communicating with your employer or your boss. If you also have a part-time business or a side hustle, you have to communicate with your clients. You have to find a way to keep those clients there by knowing how to communicate with them. When it comes to the module of social capital you have to build it wherever you are. If you have a business, you need to build your social capital with people who will be potential customers or clients, people who will be potential suppliers, people who will be potential partners, right? So you find that this Career Hub course, in as much as it's really helping when it comes to your career path and trying to figure out what do you want to do with your life, where do you want to go, figuring out your goals, because when you're starting the module, the first module, we were actually doing short-term goals, mid-term goals, and long-term goals, and also outlining what are your strengths, can you turn these strengths into roles, and can you turn the roles into job titles? So a lot of the times we don't think about that. We think just because I studied for this course, I have to do this particular job. But maybe there's a strength that you have that you haven't realized, a strength that you can turn into a role. Somebody can really notice you from this strength that you have. And when you focus on it and grow it, it can turn into a role that can eventually turn into a job title. And there are places where job titles have been created because of a particular skill that somebody had. Cindy? Yeah. So this course really opens up your mind to different things. It's not just about wewe kwenda kufanya kazi and you're done with the work. Ama just doing what is according to your job description. How else can you stand out? How else can you, make an impression on people? Let me say, I didn't expect to come here, but being on this platform is one of the things that I've dreamt about. And I was not really expecting to be here, honestly, but I'm really glad. And I can say during the classes, I actually missed half of the classes because, work was getting a bit hectic at that time. And by the time I get from work to home, I'd already missed quite a significant bit of the class. So I used to get recordings a lot of the time. So I can't say that I made an impression during the class, but what I made sure I did was I made an impression during the graduation, because our graduation was physical, right? So we had the graduation, and when people are talking and we were asked to do the testimonials, I was there, I was the first one, and I was like, let me just do this. Maybe somehow I'll get noticed and this will happen. And this has happened, right? My testimonial is on YouTube. Make sure you go there, Janet Ndanu, you'll see it. So I'm really happy that I took the course, and I can really encourage you that if you're looking to grow yourself in career-wise, or even if you have businesses outside there, this career course is really going to open up your mind to a lot of things. You'll realize that it's not just about kuendelea tu na kazi. You might be in that job that you're doing right now, but you realize that your strengths lie elsewhere, and you might maximize on those other strengths that will build your career in that other way. Sawa sawa? Yes, so if you have a chance, make sure you take this course. It will really help you, and it will really grow your mindset. Thank you.
Wouldn't you hire her? I mean, she is living the dream. Didn't she say, I dreamt that I was going to do it. And now she's on the stage. What's stopping you? What's your excuse? What have you been telling yourself that is not changing you? This is your chance to do it. One more time for Janet. Thank you so much.